Ayo, it's your boy Roman Krieg in the house. I welcome back to Ultimate Civil War General, the game where I basically got chokeslammed once. So yeah, let's do it again. Let's get chokeslammed and select battle mode. So let's check out this because I want to go to battles that have like insane amounts of people. Because that's cool. 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 That's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Ha ha. Ha ha. So yeah, we're back in the house. I don't know how many men we have. We have like the first division. We have 10,000 men. This ain't swag, baby. Main menu, baby. Main menu. I want to have an epic giant battle. That's all I want. And you know what? Let's go do a fort thingy. I don't want fort. Nah. I think that's not a fort thingy. The Union confers to. Oh, it is a coastal fort. Okay, let's check it out, gamers. So, Brigadier General. We are a Brigadier General, okay, but okay, broskies. We are all generals in this town. Only 30 of us, actually. 31. Okay, boys. We have 16,000 and 8,000, effectively making it 20,000. Yeah, that's nice. We have 20,000 guys in the house. And how is 20,000 guys going to fit inside a fort? A coastal fort. I don't know. They just fit in it? Okay, I think you can. You know, this is no, this is good. We have the Confederates. So you know what? I want to give it the 9th unit, so I feel like I have more troops coming in. Again, the same, like lol, lol, lol. So we have 13,000 troops. You know what? Let's bring it in. You know what? You go in, bros, case. Okay, baby girl, let's go. Okay, I am right. There is 20,000 guys. So of course my game plan is pretty simple and poggers. My game plan is to basically normally just grab all our units. First of all, we'll grab the skirmisher units. Skirmishers are gonna hold an important part in this battle because they're gonna hold off the enemy units. So let's start the battle, and of course we're going to grab all our units, every single unit here, and place them around the fort, because the fort is a fort and it's safe. Okay, makes sense. So okay, let's just put every single unit inside this. For some reason they're not going to fit inside the fort. Okay, now they're gonna fit. And also we're gonna grab this skirmisher unit as a guard. They're gonna guard, of course. So the enemy will. So this guy is gonna watch. Already we have Confederate soldiers going in. The first thing we should do is attack the. Yeah, we need to hold off the enemy. We need to hold them off so the entire rest of the force can go in. So yeah. So. Okay, shoot the MacArthur. Fire! There we go. We're just grabbing some shots. Oh my god. Okay, retreat. Move up, 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 move up. This is already not good because we can face them. Jeez, they just shot us. Make them pay. I thought these guys were 3D, but they're not because I saw them shift, so they're definitely like 2D. Okay, we have okay, I'm gonna do what I always gotta do. I'm gonna make a. So my plan is this. I'm gonna grab all these units, all these units, all the guys here, and I'm gonna stuck them in here. And I'm gonna go grabbing. I'm gonna go grabbing 100 guys from Bruce. So I need a skirmisher unit, which now there's 100 guys, so that's good. I have 2 skirmisher units. Oh come on! And also I'm grabbing in another skirmisher unit. So guess what? So turns out you can do that. Okay, now I'm stopping in the enemy guys there. So I'm trying to grab all my units to guard that. I'm gonna place the Milroy skirmishers over here and make my main skirmishers guard there. I'm gonna put these guys out of enemy range because there's a giant swarm of enemies over there, and that's not good. So pretty much, yeah. There's 2,000 Confederates here. If you count these guys and the others, there's 2,000 Confederate infantry. And look at this. So now I have to deal with this one. Hey, yo, they have their own skirmishers. That's not cool. That ain't cool. And there's more skirmishers. No, that's not good. I want these skirmishers alive because I'm gonna put them back. I think you can do that. So let's just destroy these guys. You destroy this guy. Oh no, you do that. Okay, we are pretty much getting screwed upon. Oh, we made one guy route though. Oh god, one guy. You know what? You should retreat to the fort so you can. Yeah, so I need this guy to retreat so he's gonna merge back again with the main forces. I'm gonna fire. Oh no, wait, that's good. That's good because I'm gonna send in. Because this guy's gonna guard this. There we go. Now. So oh shoot, everyone go fight that guy. Oh, no! Ah! They're gonna capture the supplies! Wait, they captured the supplies! Those monsters! I need to get those supplies back. We need to get the supplies back. Come on! We need to retrieve the supplies for our cannons. Come on, attack! Come on, make those boys rout! Come on! You can do this! Oh, baby! You go there, you capture those guys. Yeah, you capture those guys. Come on! Come on, you can do this! We're gonna get our stuff back, baby! Yeah, baby! Okay, we made them rout. That's good. We made them rout. Okay, you go there. And we should be all fine, kind of. Oh, wait, no, I don't want to select my own guys. That was a big brain move. Now let's leave these guys alone and... Wait, I forgot! No! How am I gonna cross these guys in? I don't want these guys to take any casualties, and they have supplies too. Oh no, looks like these bad boys gotta still fight. What I'll do, I'll send them back in case they're wounded and resend them. I don't know what that will do. I think it'll do something. For some reason, these, yeah, they're not gonna take it. They're too, Too angry. Okay, Milroyce, you go back. Okay, Milroyce, go back there. You go here, and you don't go there. You go there. Yeah, baby. My plans. Oh no, you are not going. We need to help this guy. Oh darn it! Oh, our guys are routing. Milroy, don't go, don't fight. Milroy, no. I need you to merge with that guy. Oh my, we have 300 guys. Oh no, they are not wanting to play. Melee! Okay. Yeah, we pushed them back, Oh no! We need to retreat, but I don't want to because I need these guys to be back. No! This is not good. I need these guys. These guys are very important. Yeah, there we go. These guys, we don't have to attack those guys. Those guys will get wrecked by the guys defending the fort. Finally, they're going there. No! Oh, yes, actually. They are screwing them up. Need to Crocker, stop it! Crocker, you're like taking heavy casualties. You're facing 300 men. I'm so surprised these 100 Confederate skirmishers are still alive. Come on, we can do this. Ah, still you sneaky little Confederate. Why are they still fighting again? Oh, gosh. Oh, no. I'm not ready for that, buddy. I'm not ready for that. You go attack these guys. Yeah, you go to attack. Come on, Sil, you can't stop the fury. For unity. Fight! Fire! Take this! Fire! Come on, for Twitter. I don't. Oh gosh. Hey yo, Milroy's back. Hey yo, Milroy skirmishers, you go there. Where does this though? I don't know. I want to I think you can merge these guys. Still, it's just. Come on, we can skirmish them. Oh no! Attach. T. T. You just. Oh, you can just. So you can attach your skirmishers. Oh gosh, oh gosh. What's my boys doing? They're not doing well. They are not doing well, in fact. Hey, yo! I am right, they can actually merge. That's nice. So, it's 13 minutes and I gotta stop the video here. So I hope you really enjoyed this, and I really enjoyed this. So like and subscribe. So like and subscribe for an epic nothing, because you will get nothing for subscribing and liking. Instead, you'll just support some channel you found by, I don't know, searching this up. So ciao, and hope you have, I don't know, any day.